Okay, 1 a.m. again. Let's see what the monkeys are doing. Let's see what these monkeys are doing. These people are fucking demons. Let me open the window so you can hear them. Here come the demons. Glowing red lights. Boy, I got them triggered now, and I'm just getting started. That's that same car every night at 1 a.m. Can you see it? This is how evil these people are. Every night at 1 a.m. Here's my gang stalkers. Without fail. Here's the gang stalking cops. They've been driving by my house almost every fucking day. They can't get the needles off the ground. They can't catch pedophiles. And they can't find missing kids. But they can follow me. And you call cops good? You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit because you have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. They can't get the fucking needles off the ground. They can't catch pedophiles. They can't catch rapists. They can't find missing children. But they can follow me everywhere I go. Now, what do you think a fucking cop's job is? I thought their job was to catch pedophiles, to find missing kids, to get the needles off the ground. No. It's ass backwards in this country. And to catch the rapists. There you go. That's a New York tag right there. These fuckers are coming down from New York and spreading the virus. I'll keep this video short so I can upload it, because YouTube is being a fucking prick. They're not letting me expose these goddamn fucking gang stalkers. Okay, on to the next video. You see what it is, 1 a.m. in less than 5 minutes.